Have Cricket Protect? Here's the core process for loss, theft, or damage claims as of September 2025. First, immediately report the incident via the Cricket app, website, or by calling 1-800-CRICKET. Provide key details, IMEI number, and a clear description of what happened. If it's theft, a police report is essential for verification. If it's damage, use the quick claim feature to upload photos. Once approved, pay your deductible. Amounts vary from $29 to $129 based on your plan and device. After payment, expect your replacement device to be shipped within 3 to 5 business days or available for pickup at a Cricket store. Note that replacements are often refurbished to keep costs down. Prevention is key. Enable Find My Phone and keep your receipts. When filing a Cricket Wireless insurance claim, keep these key considerations in mind to avoid common issues. Claims can be denied for several reasons, including pre-existing damage, water damage without proof it was accidental, unauthorized repairs, and theft without a police report. For water damage, you need clear proof it was an accident, like photos showing the circumstances. Theft claims almost always require a police report to be approved. Cricket Protect typically doesn't cover accessories like cases or chargers unless explicitly stated in your plan. There are also limits of usually 2 to 3 claims per year. Understand your deductible amount, which ranges from $29 to $129 depending on your plan and device. Factor this cost into whether filing a claim is worthwhile. Experts recommend comparing Cricket's plans against competitors, especially for theft claim approval rates. To cancel your plan and avoid unnecessary charges, do so through the Cricket app.